At some point you realize it is not the apps, it is not a lack of options, and it is not even that you're picking the wrong people. Because you have met good people and still it fades or it stalls or it just never really becomes anything. That is the moment most people either burn out or they stop and start asking a different question. What is actually happening here? I'm Dr. Frankie, clinical psychologist, board certified sex therapist, and the founder of Little Gay Book. And after 20 years working with LGBTQ plus singles, can tell you this: dating is not random. There are patterns in how connections build and how things move. And what keeps repeating, and when you start to see them, you stop second guessing and you stop starting over. I am bringing this experience along with my team of matchmakers, coaches, and specialists directly into this program. Queer Love Decoded is a 5-week live experience where we get into your actual patterns, not theory. What is specifically happening for you in real time? I just opened up 10 spots for this next group. Enrollment closes April 18th. Program starts April 21st. Click the link below. Your person is out there. Let us help you find them.